Hi guys, it's HANA Craft. Inside are Elsa, Mona, and Wednesday, waiting beside a glowing magic wheel. Barbie picks the butterfly.
Yay! Yeah! Yay!
Wow! Yes!
Ooh!
The wings become her dress, vines turn into a mermaid tail, and fireflies crown her head. So pretty!
Wow!
Ooh! Yay!
Yes!
Wow, so beautiful!
Elsa!
Elsa reaches for the stars. Every star becomes jewelry, and she turns into a moonlight mermaid.
Okay.
Goodbye.